Hello my people, welcome to this channel. The name still remains Sidako and this is Sidakotechlab. Today I'm happy to show you a trick or a move on how Momo users will be able to send money or make transaction to other network without paying penny or a dime or a peswa or a cent. This trick is just to tell you how you'll be able to send money to other network with zero charges. Stick and stay, I'll be back for more. Alright guys, so as I said earlier, I am going to show you a live trick on how you'll be able to transfer money from your account to other networks without being charged. So here, we don't waste time here, we need to just get down with business. But before we get down with business, I just want you to comment, I just want you to like, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new here, because we are going to give you back-to-back content, and whenever there is new upload, you'll be able to notify. So click on the subscription button and then make sure you click on the bell icon to get notified when new videos are being released. So guys, without wasting much time, without further ado, let's get into it. All that you need to do is make sure you enter. We are using Voda, so all the Vodafone networks or users, this is a benefit to every one of you will be able to send money from the account to any other network in Ghana for zero charge. So you just have to enter the code here, and then you go to 1, which is send money, and then you go to 2, other networks. There are so many options here: Vodafone network, other networks, to the bank, eSwish, and etc. But we are specifically looking at sending money to other networks. So we'll go for 2, and then we select, we are going to use MTN because I'm using MTN. You can send money to Airtel, to go to Gmoney, to ZPay, and etc. So I'm going to use MTN. Then you go to 1, which is enter recipient number. Then I will enter the recipient number here. So I will enter the MTN number here. Make sure you copy because they are going to ask you to repeat the same number. Yeah, so you repeat the number again, and then you enter 1, which is confirm. Then you enter the amount that you wish to send. So I'm sending let's say 30 cedis. You understand? So I'm sending 30 cedis, and this is the reference, Sidakotechlab. And then I'll hit on send. Now I realize that from here, send 30 cedis to Collins Forcing. The fee here is what? 0.00. That is what we are talking about here. So when you enter the PIN, let's wait for an SMS which will notify us that indeed we've sent an amount to Collins Forcing and there's no charge. So guys, you can see from my SMS here that the transaction fee is what? 0.00. So guys, this is a trick for you to send money to other networks, whether MTN, whether Tigo, any other network, without paying any zero charge. So guys, this is just a trick for you to use. Don't worry yourself. Make sure you keep saving a lot of money whenever you transfer money to your parent, to your family, to your loved ones. This has been Sidakotechlab. Subscribe if you are new here. Make sure you like and comment on our videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.